Let's publish our vlog from yesterday, and we are back to the car driving to Santa Cruz to have a family photo shoot on the beach. And we're excited about it. It's mine. That's what I needed. Wait, we are in San Jose. We're getting so many people coming on our
Not sure how to help with, by the way, we are in San Jose.
As much as I don't like traveling, I do love new places. Ocean, it's super windy but very beautiful. You know, it's a beach, it's ocean. Of course, beautiful. I was just Instagramming. It's super windy. Woo! Woo! Andrew! It's still going. It's still going. Absolutely love it. Alright, hope it's gonna post this side. So, and I like the rock on that side. So I don't know where I'm gonna put my family. I don't want them to screen. I'm very comfortable because I'm dressing very comfortable in warm clothes. I'm not sure about the family. I think no makeup or no hair will survive after this photo shoot. But I'm excited because this is something new. That's something they wanted, and that's what we're about to create. we just finished in a nature area photo shoot, family pictures, and now we're going to, the sun is lower, that's where we want to get the sunset look, and the beach and those beautiful rock formations.
Right here?
I just found this beautiful white log. They have a white wardrobe, so I think it's gonna look beautiful on the blue ocean and the white log and the white dress.